Now, as we said, that we will be understanding with the help of examples. I am taking here two questions from one from exemplar and one from NCERT to understand this. Let's take up the first question. This I have taken from the NCERT book, fourth question, in which it says the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. Right? So I have made a picture like this. A is a point on the ground and the tower BC is a tower, and I have mentioned it as a tower, and which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, and the angle of elevation is being given as 30 degree. And in this case, what we need to find out the height of the tower. We know that the relationship between the trigonometric ratio of tan theta. Tan theta comprises of the perpendicular and the base, and here we are aware of base. So what will happen? We will take in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree will be equals to, and if you remember the ratio, it's a perpendicular upon base, so it will be P upon B, that is BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base, right? So you know the value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3, and BC we have to find it out, and AB is being given as 30. So what will be the height of the tower? BC can be written as 30 upon under root 3. And we have studied in class 9 that in the denominator we will not leave any irrational numbers. We will rationalize this. So what will happen? When you rationalize it, you will get it 30 root 3 upon 3, and this will be 10. Your answer will be height of tower is 10 under root 3 meters. Clear? Similarly, I hope you must have understood it. Now, in another case, what happens? We have got three things. Ratio of sides, it will always be two things, and one will be the angle. So either of the two things you will be knowing it, and third one you will be finding. Just check out this case of exemplar exercise 8.3, question number 8. In this, what is saying, I'll just read out the question first. Find the angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole h meters high is under root 3 h meters long. In this case, figure will be like this, because shadow की बात हो रही है, so there must be some light source, and here in this case it is being asked the angle of elevation of sun. So that's why sun, a tower, at a point on the ground, right? So that three things are there, and when you make a figure, pole will be like this, and here you are aware of the height of the pole is being given as h meter, shadow is being given as h under root 3 meters. Again, the ratio will be the same, tan theta. Now, again what we will do, in triangle ABC, tan theta is BC upon AB, perpendicular upon base. What is the BC? BC is being given in the question as h, and this is h under root 3. What will happen? Both will get cancelled out. Tan theta equals to 1 upon root 3. We are aware of the value of tan theta 1 upon root 3 is for angle 30 degree. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will simply put it tan theta equals to tan 30 degree, and this way it will be, this can be written as theta equals to 30 degree. Your answer will be angle of elevation of sun equals to 30 degree, right? So इस तरीके से हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स। वी विल बी सीइंग फ्यू मोर